Hi guys, so you guys know that I really love receiving goodie bags, and I've received another goodie bag today, and this one is from Onga Seasoning, Mama's Helping Hand. In here I have lots of goodies. I have a chopping board, I have this towel here, I have kitchen utensils, I have a knife set, and I have other things here as well. And then I have the Onga curry powder, and with this curry powder I'm going to be making a red curry sauce and a pasta dish for you all. I'll show you the steps, and I also have some Onga seasoning cubes here as well, which is also going to help amplify the taste of my meal. So let's get right into the cooking action, shall we? For this recipe you need the Onga curry powder, Onga seasoning cubes, chicken breast, onions, carrots, tomatoes, some tomato paste as well, garlic paste, chopped peppers, coconut milk, seasonings, and salt to taste. The full ingredient list will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out there, okay? Now cut up the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Then season with some garlic powder, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, the Onga seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Mix everything together until very well combined. Drizzle some oil in a pot on medium to high heat and allow to heat up slightly. Then transfer the seasoned chicken and stir fry till it's brown or completely cooked. This should take about 45 minutes. Afterwards, take the chicken pieces out of the pot and set aside. Now in the same pot, add the chopped onions, stir fry for about 30 seconds before adding the garlic paste and chopped peppers. Stir fry for a few more seconds. Next, add the tomato paste. Mash it up with the back of the spoon and then stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes very crumbly. Then add the chopped tomatoes to the pot, followed by the Onga curry powder, thyme, cumin powder, turmeric, the Onga seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. Mix together to combine, then cover the pot and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Now when it is perfectly fried, just like this, pour in the coconut milk along with the cooked chicken. Then mix again to combine. Cover the pot and bring to a gentle simmer, and then leave to cook for about 5 minutes. You guys, look at how good this looks already. And then the aroma, man, the aroma in my kitchen right now is so heavenly thanks to that Onga curry powder. Now it's time to add the carrots along with a simple cornstarch slurry. So this slurry is just simply made up of some cornstarch and some water. I dissolved it to form a semi-liquid consistency. This is going to help thicken up this sauce, okay? Mix again, then cover the pot and leave to cook for just 2 minutes. You can see how the sauce has thickened up because of the cornstarch that we added, okay? So it's essential that you add that. Now finally, add some frozen peas or any veggies of your choice. Cook for a final 1 minute and take off the heat immediately. Look at how beautiful this red curry sauce is, guys. I love it. And the aroma just gets to me all the time. So you guys, I love a meal that smells amazing. This Onga curry is literally the bomb.com.ng. Like, I love the aroma that it gives this dish. As usual, I'm just going to give this a taste. I'm already salivating. Can you tell? This dish has its pass mark on color, aroma. Now it's time to taste it. I'm not even kidding. This is an amazing sauce. I'm having it with some pasta, but of course you can have it with rice, you can have it with noodles, you can have it with beans if you're adventurous, you can even have it with some naan bread as well. The taste is divine. Thank you so much, Onga Curry, for my goodie bag and my curry powder. You guys should definitely try making this recipe and make sure you use the Onga curry powder. It literally would amplify the flavor and the taste of this dish. Alright guys, I'll see you next time with another video. Until then, it's me, the Queen of Fun and Fast Cooking, signing out right now. Take care, guys.